Yeah, it started in 2006. We were the pioneer in launching the lift axle suspensions as well as the bogie suspension. Over the year, we evolved and we brought off many new products into Indian market. It has been appreciated in India, so we are quite excited about this particular venture, joint venture. So Hendrickson is always technology leader, and they focus on the technology leadership is to connect with the end customer needs. So basically, in the changing environment, couple of things which we are focusing. One is basically the light weighting. So the light weighting basically for increasing the fuel efficiency, and also in terms of the TCOC, total cost of ownership, how we can reduce. So these are the two major themes which we are looking at, and the most of the focus and the products are focusing towards these key themes. There are many, but just to focus on some few. One is definitely the Ultimax, which is already there in India, but the product which we are displaying here is having the higher spring spacing, which also gives the reduced stresses on the axle, and we also are having the higher ground clearance in this product. And as you know, this is a completely steel. There is no steel spring in this. Is a rubber based technology which is liked by the customers, which is running without any issues up to 10,000 hours in India market. So further enhancing these things will it will connect to the end customer much more. The second product is the zero maintenance damping. So in any suspension there is one is a spring and another one is a damping technology. In that zero maintenance ZMD we call it as, there is no damper as such. The air spring itself acts as a damper. So it is a patented design from Hendrickson. So that is being displayed. Many customers like that one. So that is something which we are proud of, that one. Third one is of course a snake spring. There is no shackle bracket, which is again connected to the light weighting. So actually it is a fantastic response for us, because the on the 17th we had a huge ultimate leadership from Tata Motors. We had 2 hours of good meeting. We spent a lot of time in each of the things, and we also outlined what are the future technology roadmap jointly agreed with OEMs. Today we had Volvo Asia who had come. So we have continuously, and also there are various end customers are also coming and understanding. There are fleet owners who are coming. They are understanding what are the new technology, and it is actually quite exciting event for us.